month-old rice water. So we're gonna, oh, I'm really scared. I'm really scared. Oh, I'm really scared. All right, boom. All right, you guys, I am currently washing my hair, right? Well, I shouldn't even say wash my hair. I'm currently treating my hair. I have an aloe vera mixture that I made a few weeks ago, and I also have my phone all in the way, but I also have my month-old rice water. Technically it's over a month old, but I made it in my last video and I know for a fact it's over 4 weeks old. But I have my rice water mixture. If you want to see that video, I'll have that in the description box. And I put some orange peels in here because I needed some citrus to hopefully cut the smell, because rice water doesn't smell too great. So I'm going to open this just to see how it smells. Now, rice water doesn't smell too good typically, and I usually let it sit for over a week. This has been over a month, so I'm praying to God I don't pass out. So that's the only reason I decided to not make this video a voiceover. I want you guys to see my honest reaction. I'm low-key scared though. Real talk. So I'm going to be putting this, I'm going to pour it inside of my spray bottle, and when I wash my hair, I'm going to spray it in my hair for a treatment. So we're gonna, I'm really scared. I'm really scared. Oh, I'm really scared. All right, boom. Okay, so far I don't smell anything. I'm clearly not close enough. It smells good. No, it smells good. Ari! I'm gonna ask my kids to come and smell it so you guys know I'm not joking. Come here real quick. What? Come here, do me a favor. Smell this for me.
I don't know.
No, for real, smell it. Just wait.
No, because you're gonna put it.
I promise you, I'm not playing. Smell it for me. And tell me, no, honestly, tell me what it actually smells like. See?
Grease.
No, smell it again.
Oil?
No, tell me, no. Don't, just tell me what it smells like.
Coffee.
Coffee? Next. What does it smell like to you?
Lemons.
Right. What is this? And it smell like coffee to you?
Yes.
No, it don't.
It smells like lemons.
All right, smell it again. Tell me what it smells like. Leah, what does it really smell like? Because this don't smell like no coffee.
It smells bad.
She said it smells bad. Okay. What else do you smell?
Wait, it says that.
Tell me what it
smells. Is it orange peels?
Yes, orange pills. What else does it smell like?
Lemons.
I didn't put any lemon in here.
Wait, I think that spray stuff.
What spray stuff? I didn't say no. I asked you what does it smell like.
Oranges.
It smells like oranges to you. You said coffee earlier. Then you said it stink. So what do you think it smells like?
I think it is booty juice. What's the white stuff? Oil and oranges?
Oil and oranges. Okay.
No, that don't
What is that?
Okay, thank you. Get out.
What is it?
Get out. I'm just asking you a question. Get out.
What was it?
It's just water with oranges in it.
What?
I wanted to see what y'all was gonna say. Bye.
You called it for nothing.
Okay, so like I said, I currently have my aloe vera in my hair. I'm going to pour, since it smells so good, I'm honest to God in shock. Like, for real. It smells like citrus, and it's not an overpowering citrus. Okay, it smells like that, like generic orange flavored chewing gum that you would probably give kids, or that generic smelling orange flavored candy. It's not an overpowering citrus smell. It doesn't smell like lemon. I don't know what my daughter was talking about. It smells like orange peels, and I also smell the essential oils that I put inside here as well, which I think did most of the cutting of the smell. This is definitely fermented over a month, if you guys can see inside of there. So you see the citrus peels, it's from an orange, and then you see all of the fermentation at the bottom, And if you look closely, you'll see a little bit of the essential oils floating in this jar as well. So I'm going to pour this inside of my spray bottle, and then I'm going to wash my hair because today is wash day clearly, and we're going to see what happens. Okay guys, so just a reminder, I do have my aloe vera mixture already in my hair, and I use this to help to detangle my hair and give my hair some slip. And if you also notice, my curls are already starting to be defined because, again, aloe vera is good at hydrating the hair. So what I'm going to be doing now is putting my hair in some sections and applying the rice water mixture. I like to do this, again, because I want to detangle as much as I can before I wash my hair. And I also like to run the rice water through my hair in its entirety. So I put my hair in small sections and I work the product through. I am spraying very generously because I have quite a bit of rice water, and I want to make sure that everything is thoroughly saturated. So when I finish this one side of my head, I make sure I apply a little bit more of the rice water on the ends, and I put a plastic cap on my head. Now, I do have quite a bit of hair and it is pretty dense, so I have to use 2 plastic caps to make sure that it covers everything and it doesn't drip everywhere. So I'm just going to complete the same thing that I did on the opposite side. You see my fingers going through my hair. I'm using that kind of as a comb to detangle. And I'm going to be, again, spraying very generously throughout my hair from root to tip. And then I take my fingers to run everything through. Now, I did have a protective style in my hair prior to me taking my hair out. So I'm going to take the remainder of my rice water and apply that to the areas of my natural hair that was left out during my protective style, which means that's my part and my edges. So I also have a full wash day video coming to my channel very soon, so you can see what I do step by step. But at this point, I'm just rinsing out that rice water, and I'm going to be preparing myself to wash my hair one time. But I just want to make sure that you guys know to rinse that out thoroughly. If you have to put your hair back in sections to do so, make sure you do not have any rice water or anything in your hair. You can also see that my curls have definitely started to come back. You can see the bounce in my hair now. It's not as stiff. This rice water did absolutely amazing. I love this. I'm definitely going to let my rice water sit for a month now versus just letting it sit for a week. So after my hair has been washed and deep conditioned, I like to take my hair in one large 2-strand twist just to get it out of the way, and it also helps to get some of that extra water out. I then pin it up, and then I complete my shower. So after this, the choice is yours on how you're going to style your hair, but I just want you guys to see the effects of the rice water. My hair is definitely a lot softer and bouncier. And you can also see that my hair does have its own natural shine. So normally on a wash day, I just keep my hair in a clip or in a ponytail. I don't do too much to it. That's just me. Your styling options are your choice. So that's it, guys, for my month-old rice water. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.